How to delete TikTok account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Here, click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings at the top right. After that, here, click on Account. After you're in Account, click on Deactivate or Delete Account at the bottom. After that, it will lead you to this page. Click on Delete Account Permanently. Then, select the reason why you want to delete. Press on Continue. And after that, you can request your TikTok's data to your mail. Click on Review Request. If not, press on By Continuing at the bottom and press on Continue. Press on Continue and your TikTok account will be deleted. This is how to delete TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.